In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Qantas points on Jetstar. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find the option to exchange your Qantas points for flights on Jetstar over at the official Qantas website, www.qantas.com. When you arrive at this page, hover over Frequent Flyer at the top menu and then select Use Qantas Points. You will be redirected to this page, and under Ways to use your Qantas points, you will be able to see a full list of their flying partners. So click A to Z of partners over here and you will be redirected. Now look for Jetstar. Scroll down until you find the category and you will be able to see Jetstar in here. When you click on Jetstar, you will be redirected once again to a page that has the summary and description of Jetstar. I recommend you take your own time and you read through all of this carefully if you wish to know more about Jetstar and how they operate with Qantas. After you read through all of this and you are satisfied, you simply have to look for the Search Flights button over here or at the middle of the page. Click Search Flights, and finally, under Redeem Your Travel Credit, select Find Out More. Now, you will be taken to a page that has all the contact information necessary that you need to be in touch with Qantas in order for their experts to book any flights or use your points for you. So, to summarize, look for the contact numbers that they have on this page and you will be able to be in touch with one of their travel credit experts. Present your documents and your account, and as long as you have enough Qantas points, you will be able to use them on Jetstar for bonuses and extra flights. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Qantas points on Jetstar. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.